Hi guys, welcome back to Golang tutorials. This is Dilo DSM. So in this episode we're gonna walk out through a little bit on control statements. So the first one is if. So what is if? We can get some examples for the same. Something like this. If Virat Kohli gets going, India will win. That's an if statement, yeah. So another one, if a error happens, something like a compilation error happens, you are a dead boy, man. Your manager gonna suck you up. But if that didn't happen, oh man, you are the boy. You can sit back and enjoy the show. So basically, if has an condition, if that comes true, then whatever comes after that will happen. If that didn't come through, you can use the else. So people have one more method doing this. They can use else. We'll put another condition like in case of error we say no error or something like that, maybe partial error, then some other option. And if that too didn't work, then we'll go for the else part. So let's look what that is. So in this demo we'll give a function main. So in this we'll say x equal to 10. Oh, that was too much for auto completion. Okay, we'll say if x percentage 2 equal to 0. That's very obvious. It must be 0, but sometimes yeah, it cannot be 0. That the weird mathematics that goes around us makes it very difficult. So if that is not equal to 0, and okay, so it's if that is equal to 0, then we say print line hey, okay, I don't know where that did come from. Okay, and that's the first case. We'll do another if condition which has an else part. We give another variable which is y equal to 5. I don't know this. I hate this auto completion. Okay, if x minus y greater than or equal to 0, we say print line will print what? I am from Utopia. Well, I am from Utopia. And else if we'll say x minus y with less than 0. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll just put this greater than 0 equal to 0. Okay, this makes sense. Print line, this makes sense. Okay, and I don't know what kind of sense it is, but still it makes sense. Okay, else wake up from the dream. Okay, so if x minus y is greater than 0, it will say I'm from Utopia. If x minus y equal to 0, you have noticed this 2 equal to means 1. If we say equal to, that means we are assigning a value to a variable like x equal to, okay, this confuses a bit. Okay, x equal to 10, that means we have, okay, it's 11. Its value will change to 11. The value contained in x will be 11 after this assignment. This is the equal to operator. But when we use equal to, that means it will check whether x minus y is equal to 0. So in that case it will say this makes sense. And another case we say wake up from the dream. Maybe just clearly impossible in this case, but still we'll give it a try. Okay, we can run this program. Where we are, the load is Okay, cdc control statements, go run try to go me. So the if conditions work, and there's a one, like usually people do this if conditions a lot, but mostly Go developers don't use else. Like it's like we don't bother about the else. We only have if part. The most many of the if you go through most of the Go projects, you can say who form the Go idiomatic code, you can see that they rarely use else. So we can look get such an example. We say file error equal to os dot open some file name try dot go. That's fine, that's too fine. Now they'll say you have declared file and error but not use, so we'll use it. Use it like this: if error not equal to nil, that means there is some error. We will say oops print line, what we'll say oops plus error dot error. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now and return. This is this thing you have to take carefully. Everywhere if you are using the error, the best thing is to log the error. Actually I am printing it here now, but you should log the error, then you return from here, because anything further from here might get you into trouble. So better return it, but there are some circumstances where you have to handle this error, have to do something furthermore. So but that's in the advanced program, you might have to do such things, but here it's fine. Here it's totally fine. You can return the from the program. Then if you come here, there is no error, there's no point in returning. So we come here, we will say what print, we will print line the file. So here one thing that you need to do is file dot defer file dot close. So let's try this. That will happen. I don't know. Okay, we got that. We got some contents in file. Actually I didn't put in the contents in there, but we got some contents in the file. So that's what it shows. There is a file name try.go, but if we change to something like this and taking hope, yeah, oops, open some such file or directory. So error did happen. We return here, but no error without much problem. But you have noticed this defer. Defer means when this main function, the defer means when the function ends abruptly or non-abruptly, it will execute this part, file dot close. So this is mainly about if. There is nothing more about if. This is if is a very simple method. There's nothing more. So I think that's it. That's for this episode. Thanks guys, take care, stay tuned, love and peace.